few days ago, I posted this picture, and some of you were coming to my DM asking me how I was able to achieve the full look, how I was able to achieve the makeup and the hair. I'm going to do a short tutorial on how I was able to achieve just the makeup. Yes, but I want you guys to know that all we do here is photo editing and retouching. In case you needed an editor that will help you carry out your photo editing project, we are always available. Our charging rate is not that high. We charge according to the kind of editing job you needed. So all you have to do, send us a DM and book a slot. So now let's jump into the short tutorial. So all you have to do is to turn on your, enter your Photoshop like you all know, enter your Photoshop. But before you can achieve this look, make the makeup pop, all you have to do is to make sure you do your retouching. Make sure you are done with your retouching and color balancing. Yes, make sure you are done with your retouching and your color balancing. So you can see this, you can see the before and you can see the after of this photo. So all I'm going to do here now is to, I'll just go to, I will off this one. I will create a new adjustment layer. Then after creating new adjustment layer, I will pick my pen tool. I'll pick my pen tool, then trace it according to the makeup. Then now, after doing this, I'm just going to click, then come to, mark selection. I will feather with 2. Let me feather with 2 or 1. I need the edges to be a little bit sharp, so I will feather with 1. After doing this, then I will come here, pick my brush tool, set the opacity to be 100, the flow to be 100. Then my foreground color, this is the color I'm using. So the color is already here. So you can change the color. You can use the color of the makeup you want to use, any type of makeup, but this is the color of the makeup. So I'm just going to click OK, then brush it on this part, then brush it. You see, brush it like this. So after brushing it, I'm just going to deselect or leave this deselect. Then I will come to my blend mode. I will change my blend mode from normal to soft light. You can see, change it to soft light. So the next thing I'm going to do is to come here, then brightness and contrast. I will take the brightness up a little. You can see now. Then now when you look at the photo properly, there's a lot of contrast on the makeup, which make it look somehow. So what I'm going to do now is to reduce the contrast. You can see now, so that you can see the makeup is smooth now. Then I will take the makeup up a little. So you can see. So you see now, this is how I was able to achieve this particular look. So what I'm going to do, I will clean this part up so that the makeup can look smooth. So you can see now, see the before and after, you see the before and after. So the next thing I'm going to do is to also map the dark part of it. So I'm just going to do it like this. I'm just going to, do it like this. The dark part should be a little bit short. So I'm just going to. Then I'll come here, create an empty layer again. Then come to this place, change the foreground color to dark. Then you paint on it like this. So you paint on it like this, from normal to linear light too. After changing it, then the next thing you are going to do is to trim this part like this. Then you feather it out, trim this part like this. so that the edges can be soft a little. Trim it like this, then you feather it. See, you feather it, you see. You did the same thing here. This one, you have to remove this one totally. You did the same thing here. You remove this one totally. So, see the difference. See, you can reduce the opacity. If you think is too much, you can reduce the opacity. And after doing that, you come here too. You do the same thing here. So I'm just doing it fast so that this video will not be too long, because I'm just doing it fast. So we are using soft brush. Yeah, we should just use, we are using 4. We are using 4. Then we reduce the opacity of this brush. Then just paint it on this particular part like this. You see now, paint it like this. Then I'll change the blend mode. Change the blend mode to linear light. It's already on linear light. So what we have to do here is to, you know, make the edges smooth. Make the edges smooth. So I'm just going to use 4. Now you see before and after. So before and after. So I'm going to create another new empty layer, which I will use the brushes on this particular part. So all I'm going to do is to, you know, do it like this. I'm just going to, you know, do it like this. After doing it like this, I'm going to click here like this to, you know, cut this one out. Yes, then after doing this, then I'm going to change this one to soft light, which is this one. After changing it to soft light, I'm just going to, you know, trim it, then make it more, you know, okay, like this, you see now. Then use a high feather 5 to feather it, you know. You see now. You can reduce the opacity. Reduce the opacity a little. So after doing this, you can see now this is all. This is all. So if you want to create that eyes, you know, stuff, you can create it. You know, let me first create that eye stuff. I will first, you know, let me first group these ones. You can see the before, and see the after, see the before and see the after.